The drive hub assembly consists of some different sprockets, but as we look at this snap ring, it's important to know that you don't need to take this off. The drive hub assembly can be removed complete. These are one-way sprockets. They engage in one direction and slip in the other direction. When it slips in both directions, we would replace it. Obviously, if it catches in any position, then we have a problem. This end carries the drive chain. Each one of these sprockets carries the step chain from the left and the right side. Now that we've explained that, we can go ahead and put this new drive hub assembly in. Just the same way that it came out, we thread it back through and put our drive chain around here. You might have to wiggle the hub a little bit just to get the drive chain on perfectly. There you go. Now, I always keep a rag nearby because you want to make sure that your bolts don't slip out of your hand. I take one bolt to anchor the assembly, and I put it through. Then I'm free to put the others in one by one. Now this is going to come back out. This is only here to hold the hub in place while we get the others lined up. But we need this to come out so that we can put our guards back when we're all done. Okay, put the bottom one in, and then we'll start tightening. Tighten these completely down until I've got all of my bolts in, so that we don't strip out the bolts. Almost there. Okay. With the new hub in, we can thread the chains over the top. And like we did before, we're going to lift up the pedal so that we have some chain to work with. Make sure not to let this chain go because the pedal will drop. Okay, so now that we've got the spring attached, it's okay to let the pedal down again. Now, I still have my safety glasses on, so I should be able to install the spring pulley. Okay, now we'll thread the spring underneath, pull up, retension it. There you go, nice and tight. We'll do the same on the other side. After we get the chain attached, done. The last step is to reinstall our guards. Make sure to have all the bolts facing the same direction. Okay, nice and tight. And that concludes the drive hub assembly, drive chain, step chain, and spring pulley replacement procedure.